2008 we started Department of Civil Engineering, and in 2014 we started a unique postgraduate program in structural and construction engineering and PhD programs. So we know civil engineering is one of the oldest engineering discipline and it's an ever growing one. So there are a lot of developments in civil engineering applications like the construction of infrastructure facilities like roads, dams, bridges, tall structures, and there are a lot of research happening in terms of materials like admixtures, green buildings, waste disposal schemes, etc. So there is a lot of scope for research and consultancy in the civil engineering discipline. Also the software, many of these leading software companies, they have their own separate divisions for civil engineering applications. Students who are opting this BTech Civil Engineering, there are a lot of opportunities for the placement in core companies as well as for research. And from Amrita, we are giving them this international exposure as well as the opportunity to interact with the pioneers in their field. I am very happy to say that many of our students are placed in core companies like L&T, Shapoorji Pallonji, Mitra Energy Systems, Saint-Gobain, Shobha Developers, etc. and also in some of the leading software companies where they could do their civil engineering related application jobs. Also many are pursuing their postgraduate and PhD programs in premier universities abroad India. Our curriculum and syllabi are framed in tune with the world-class universities. Also we are offering some elective courses based on the industry requirements. And in Amrita, we have very dedicated and sophisticated lab facilities which includes this non-destructive testing, water quality testing and wastewater analysis.